Hey there, friends. Meteorologist Shane Smith here with you. It is Friday, May 12th, 2023, and we've got an active weekend of weather just in time for Mother's Day. So let's get right to it. You can see on the radar this evening as we record just after 7 o'clock, we have thunderstorms rolling across eastern Kentucky, some moderate to heavy rain down in the mountains of Pike and Letcher counties, with some light to moderate rain through the Big Sandy Valley. That is pushing off to the east, will move out, but you notice over the nation's heartland, a massive area of low pressure tornadoes up into portions of Nebraska. Those are going to be heading into Iowa, northern Missouri tonight, southern South Dakota, and down into Oklahoma and Texas. Severe thunderstorms, also a little secondary area of severe thunderstorms down into Mississippi. So an active night of weather across the U.S., and that same storm system is going to cause some issues for our Mother's Day forecast here in the Bluegrass State. Let's take a look at it and see how it's all going to play out. And the reason we're going to see these strong storms is right now we are running above average temperatures. We have got a lot of heat built up, but you're going to notice cooler air moving in. And when we get that shifting of air masses, that's when we get some of our best thunderstorms. In fact, Mother's Day, let's go ahead and take a look at it. Most of the state already under a slight risk of severe weather, with pretty much from around Mount Vernon back over to Moorhead, up to Covington, Louisville, E-Town, over towards Bowling Green, and that slight risk, and the rest of the state and a marginal risk. There is a marginal risk in far western Kentucky for Saturday, but the better chance of severe weather is going to come on Mother's Day Sunday. So let's map it all out for you. Taking you through the overnight tonight, a few spotty showers and storms possible. Wake up tomorrow morning, most of us should be dry. I think we could see a few storms, especially northern and western Kentucky tomorrow afternoon and evening. One or two of those could go severe, especially back around Evetown towards Owensboro. We'll keep a close eye on those. And I believe we start off Mother's Day morning nice and dry. You can see by 1 o'clock as we run the clock out on the HRRR model, we're staying dry across most of the state, but we can fast forward even further into the future using the North American mesoscale model. And I want to take a look at Mother's Day evening. You will see a line of strong to severe thunderstorms developing and moving into western Kentucky that evening off of northwest flow. And in fact, I think this model may be underdoing the thunderstorm coverage Sunday evening. We're going to have to keep a very close eye on that. As you get those thunderstorms diving in from the northwest, they can really ramp up and cause some major issues with wind. And that's going to usher in a much cooler and drier pattern as we go into next week. Check out those temperatures. Monday highs, low 70s, 60s on Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe even lingering into Thursday. We'll warm up a little bit on Friday, and then another front comes in. That may have the chance of another round of severe weather, and it looks like as we head towards the end of May and into the beginning of meteorological summer in June, we're going to warm up with a little early taste of summer. Let's take a look at the long-range forecast using the European model. And I want to note there's those thunderstorms coming in from northwest to southeast on Sunday evening. Got to keep an eye on those. Wind damage, heavy rain, lightning, definitely a possibility. Maybe a lingering shower or two Monday. Should be dry Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. And it's not until we get towards Saturday as that next front dives in that we'll bring another chance of storms back to the Commonwealth. So as you plan out your Mother's Day festivities, just know this. Saturday, few spotty showers, temperatures into the upper 70s. Once again, maybe even some low 80s out there. A similar story on Mother's Day proper. I think we start the day off dry, and then storms that afternoon and evening could be on the strong to severe side. And that's something we will keep a close eye on. And I will actually have on air for you on Saturday morning. I'm going to be doing one last round to fill in for my friends up at WKYT in Lexington on Saturday morning. So if you're up early, tune in from 6 to 8. Hope to have you join us. And if not, I will have updates as necessary through the weekend here and into next week. So take care, friends, and until next time, stay weather aware.